Alright, and our system is y is less than x plus 2. And the other one is y is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay?
Is this like the thing with the graphs, right?
Yep, this is the thing with the graphs, so we're going to have to do some diagrams.
That's not there you go.
Kind of forgot how to do this.
We're going to do this together.
Are we gonna make like a table for it?
Yep. Alright, so when we looked at these last time, what was the, what's the first thing that we need to do? Okay, yeah, so we're going to use a table to draw these. So we can do two tables, because we've got y equals x plus 2, so we'll do a table for this one. And what are the values for x that we can use? What values of x?
2? Or no? 1?
So look at my x, what have I done here? I've gone from x. Yeah, so I could go from -6 all the way up to 8.
Oh, I was right.
So let's go from -5. How many coordinates do I need to draw a straight line?
2.
I only need 2, okay? So, but I'll do 3 just to kind of make sure, okay?
Would you want to be -5, 0, 5?
It could be, yep. You can pick whichever ones you want. I've just picked those ones.
So it could be any.
Yes.
Why would it be on?
No,
I don't know why.
Because I only need 2 points. So, I'm just picking these ones because...
Any of the
Exactly, yeah.
But then it could be all. It would all be different. So everyone's answer could be different,
No, because the line will be the same.
right? Like,
Remember,
it'll
we're
be
just...
different places.
Yep, but no. The line will always be the same. If you draw it correctly. It will just have a different starting point and a different ending.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
But we're going to draw our line going through the points and beyond. Okay, so let's see if we can get our table drawn and the lines drawn. Now we need to be careful because when we draw these lines, just everybody stop for 1 second, because when we draw the lines, what do we need to make sure for each of them? when I draw the line for this one, how's it going to be different to the line for this one? Denim.
3.
Yeah.
It could be dotted.
Say again?
It could be dotted.
Yeah. Which one is the dotted one?
First one.
First one, okay. The first one is going to be a dotted line. Okay, and this one is going to be a full line, okay? So just keep that in mind when you're drawing these lines, okay? This one is dotted because it is not equal to. This one is a full line because it is equal to. So we've got x is -5. -5 add 2 is? -3. 0 add 2 is? 2. And 4 add 2 is? 6. Okay, so I've got my points that I can plot. And remember when you're plotting, you go along first. So I'm doing -5, -3, so along to -5, down to -3. Now, I don't have -3 on here. Does that matter? No, so what I can do is I'm just going to ignore this point, okay? Some of you may have put it on. Because I only need how many points to draw a straight line? 2. So let's put these 2 on. I've got 0, 2. And 4, 6. So I can go along to 4 and up to 6. Sure, just get this right. Which is there, yep. Alright, and then I'm going to draw a line through it. Now my line has to be what? What type of line? A dotted line. Do that.
They don't have dotted lines. There it is. For now,
Right, so my dotted line is going to go through all these points. I can draw it through just like that, okay? So you want to make it the full size of this. Doesn't what, Liza?
it doesn't go through -3.
What do you mean?
What it does. And it will go through.
Liza, talk to me. Why not?
No, because look. Oh wait, never mind. That's a lie. No. Okay, yeah. No, I get it.
Yeah? So if I did have -3 on
It
here,
would keep
it
going.
would
Sorry,
keep
I was
going and
looking
it
at
would
the
go through.
x-axis, and then I realized it was on the y-axis.
Okay. So make sure you label these. So this one is, this line is y is equal to x plus 2. Okay? For the next one, we've got 3 take away 2 times -5. What does that give me?
13.
Gives me positive 13. We can use our calculator.
I put -5.
For when x is 0, I have
0.
3.
3. And when x is 2,
-1.
-1 again. I don't have 13 on my y-axis. Is that a problem?
Nope.
Because?
You have to.
You only have 2. You
Three
can have
negative
use
one.
2 points.
Yeah, I could just use any 2 points, so I'll just use these 2, okay? So I've got 0, 3. Let's use a different color. Let's use blue. So 0, 3, which is right here.
Ooh.
And 2, -1. This line is sloping downwards. Now is this going to be a solid line or a broken line?
Solid.
Has to be solid, good. And when you draw it, make it go through. Yep. Make it be quite, you know, kind of like that. Okay. And then label it. So this is y equals 3 minus 2x. Okay. So make sure we get our lines drawn like that. Okay. We'll do our shading in just a second.
Thank you.
So let's imagine we got a line like this, and let's say that it is y is equal to -2x plus 3, okay? Everybody watching? Okay, if I want to show y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 3, if it is greater, if y is greater than, it is going to be, imagine if it's above the line or under the line. Above, okay? So this is kind of like we say greater. So all of this stuff here would be y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 3. Yep. All the stuff on the other side, all this stuff would be y is
Less.
less than or equal to negative 2x plus 3. Okay, all underneath the line, okay, is less than. Okay, with me?
Yes.
If I was to draw the line going in, let's just say a different way, because the line's either going to be sloping upwards or downwards, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, so if it was going more like this, and it said this line is y is equal to 3x minus 1/2, okay? This part here, is that here? Can everybody watch? Because this is a really small thing, but if it's, you want to make sure you get it correct. This part here, is this above or underneath the line? Above, okay? So if it's above, is it going to be greater than or less than? Greater than, right? So this bit would be y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 1/2. Yep.
Can you repeat that, please?
Okay,
A
so
little bit slower.
my line is 3x minus 1/2.
Yeah.
If I am above the line, it's going to be greater than, okay? Because imagine if you're going above the line, what's happening to these numbers as I go up?
They're increasing.
They're increasing, they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger, okay? So we can say that y is greater than 3x minus 1/2.
Okay.
Okay, so if you're above the line, it's greater than, okay? If you're under the line, no, not under the x-axis, under the line, okay? I'm just writing it here just because there's room. This would be 3x, okay? Y is less than 3x minus 1/2. Okay? So if it's
the black one.
the black line we're looking at, yeah. Okay? Is everybody kind of with me on that?
Yeah.
So if I go back to our original, okay? If, now don't anybody draw anything just yet. Let's not get too excited. If I am looking at, so this is y equals x plus 2, yes? We want it to be y is less than 3x plus 2. Correct?
Yeah.
So am I going to shade, and I want to see hands up, am I going to shade above the line or underneath the line? If I want y is less than x plus 2. I want above or below. Damon? Below, right, because it is less than. So I'm going to shade everything now. Nobody do anything, okay? I'm going to shade all of this stuff. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, looking at the other one. If I want y, here's my other line, y is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. And I want greater than. Am I going to shade underneath the line or above the line? Above.
Above.
Okay, and this is above the line here, yes? Is everybody cool with that? Yeah. So I would shade above it. So I would shade all this bit.
Ooh.
Where do the two bits cross over?
Wait,
Yeah.
you don't,
Yeah,
you should,
you shade like to like the left above?
yeah.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, what about the
Oh,
other
sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're absolutely right. Yeah, this is all above the line. Correct. Good, good, good.
So this makes it right there.
So where do the two lines? Yes,
Y
right in the
and
middle.
Z.
Okay, so this would be my answer. Okay, so if I go back and take out this and tidy it up a little bit.
Let's tidy it up.
Forward. All right, so the bit I'm after is, you just said, all of this stuff in here. This is the shaded part that we need.
You don't shade anything else?
And you do not shade anything else, okay?
Oh,
Oh.
no,
No, no.
something else.
Get the little dot in the middle.
Oh.
Try and
No.
do a bit better at colouring in than me.
Oh, no!
Yeah.
It should be easier
You're
for you.
actually like my OCD.
Alright, so can we shade the correct region then, please?
Could you please shade the correct region?
And you have that little spot. Oh
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The spot. The spot.
You're colouring in between the lines.
no. Can you get rid of just those little spots?
No.
Like for
Please.
real? I'll be able to flip.
Yes.
You should leave it.
That'd be me.
Ooh.
You should leave one.
No. Oh.
Don't see this one.
Yeah.
Alright, that's good.
No,
Wait, there's a little
line.
bit of
Oh my
there.
gosh, the line.
Great job.
No.
It's a risk to play.
Alright, that's enough for now,
The
okay?
lines, okay?
Hmm.
They're so jagged.
Okay, so let's get that drawn. Okay, we want the bit in between. Now, if it helps to write some of this down underneath the line, remember? So underneath the green line, let me just do it in green because it'll be the same color. Underneath this line is y is less than x plus 2. Yes? Above the line, it would be y is greater than x plus 2. And then I'll do it for the other one as well. Yep.
Do we write anything pollution of the shaded area?
No.
So,
Underneath the blue line, sorry, 1 second, Delia, is y is less than and above the line, yep, or equal to. Above the line, y is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. And in this region, both these things are happening at the same time, okay? So in this region, so all points within this region satisfy y is less than x plus 2 and y is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. Stop with the noises. Okay, so if we can get all that written, okay? So we said everything in this yellow region, okay? And all of this, even outside that I haven't colored in, all of this stuff here is, all these points satisfy these two equations. What about a point on this line? Is that a solution?
Yes. No.
No, because,
it's not.
why not?
It's not in the region.
Why not?
It's on the
Because
line.
it doesn't
Why isn't
want
this
to be.
point here,
intersect with the other.
why isn't this point, okay, a solution to both of these? This point here. Why isn't this point a solution to both of these? Because we're saying any point in this region is a solution to these, okay? But anything on this dotted line is not. Why not? It's just not. Okay, well let me ask you a different question then. What about anything on this line? Are these going to give me are these solutions to both of these?
Oh, I know.
Yes, John?
Isn't because that one is it's greater than or equal to and then the other one's not.
Right, okay, exactly. These ones are greater than or equal to. So everything on this line counts. These ones are just less than, okay? It's not equal to on this line, so anything on this line does not count. Okay? Good job.